Welcome to Easy Microbiology.
Good morning, everyone. We are here today to discuss this important topic. We will be exploring the various perspectives that make up this issue and examining how we can use the information we learn to make informed decisions. Let's begin. Enterococcus avium is a gram-positive, facultative anaerobic bacterium that is part of the genus Enterococcus and is often found in the gastrointestinal tract of mammals and birds. It has the potential to cause a variety of infections in humans, such as urinary tract infections and meningitis. Avium is an enterococcal bacteria commonly found in the gastrointestinal tract of wild and domesticated birds and mammals, including chickens, ducks, and turkeys. It has a widespread presence and is essential in the digestive system of several organisms. Enterococcus avium is a common type of bacteria found in nature, and it is typically found as a spherical shape. It can occur singularly, in pairs, or in short chains, and typically has a diameter of 0.5 to 1.0 micrometers. Furthermore, Enterococcus avium is non-modal, meaning that it can't move on its own.
Enterococcus avium grows well on blood agar plates and can be identified by its characteristic morphology and the ability to grow in the presence of 6.5% NaCl. Enterococcus avium is positive for catalase and can ferment glucose and lactose. It is also able to produce acid from inulin and esculin. Enterococcus avium is commonly found in the gastrointestinal tracts of birds and mammals, and is occasionally associated with infections in humans. Enterococcus avium has several virulence factors, including the ability to adhere to host tissues, produce biofilms, and resist antibiotics. It can also produce various enzymes and toxins, such as gelatinase, hyaluronidase, and cytolysine.
Enterococcus avium is an intrinsically resistant bacteria to several antibiotics including cephalosporins, clindamycin, and sulfamethoxazole trimethoprim. In addition, Enterococcus avium can pick up antibiotic resistance mutations from other bacteria. These mutations are transferred via horizontal gene transfer, which involves DNA being shared between bacteria. This newly acquired resistance gives Enterococcus avium a better chance to survive when exposed to antibiotics. Epidemiology of Enterococcus avium has been studied in humans for decades. This bacterium is primarily found in the gastrointestinal tracts of birds and mammals, and is sometimes linked to infections in humans. It is frequently detected in blood cultures and is associated with various infections, including bacteremia, endocarditis, and urinary tract infections. Fortunately, there is a range of treatments available to treat these types of infections.
Enterococcus avium can cause a variety of infections in humans, particularly in immunocompromised individuals. It can colonize the gastrointestinal tract and, in some cases, invade the bloodstream and cause systemic infections. The immune response to Enterococcus avium is not well characterized, but it is thought to involve both innate and adaptive immune mechanisms.
The standard method for identifying Enterococcus avium is through culture and biochemical testing. For more precise and timely diagnosis, molecular methods such as PCR can be used to achieve a more accurate result.
Prevention of Enterococcus avium infections involves proper hygiene practices, including hand washing and proper food handling techniques. Antibiotic stewardship is also important to prevent the emergence of antibiotic-resistant strains. Enterococcus avium infections are typically treated with antibiotics, although the choice of antibiotic may depend on the susceptibility profile of the isolate. In some cases, surgical intervention may also be necessary. Conclusion: Enterococcus avium is a gram-positive, facultative anaerobic bacterium commonly found in the gastrointestinal tracts of birds and mammals. While it is not a frequent cause of infections in humans, it can cause a variety of infections, particularly in immunocompromised individuals. Proper hygiene practices and antibiotic stewardship are important for preventing the emergence of antibiotic-resistant strains. Thank you for your time and attention.